Good morning, skiing and riding friends. It's Michaela with your Saturday, March 2nd, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Ladies and gents, the snow is coming down. When I got in this morning, it wasn't really doing a whole lot, but now, about an hour or so later, it is doing some light little fluffy stuff, so I don't think the roads are gonna be too bad, but out here on the mountain, it is putting a beautiful dusting on the trees, and the slopes look absolutely beautiful. This is a winter white day. The temperatures are really nice right now. It is not too cold. The winds are barely there. We're gonna have highs in the 30s and the lows are gonna be mid-20s. So it's looking to be a really nice day out here. So make sure you grab your gear and get here. And you guys already know that our groomers are out there doing what they do best with our 23 to 55 inches of base steps of snow. We've got 7 lifts spinning around the mountain to get you onto 21 of your favorite trails. Today, Wachusett Mountain is also hosting the Great Race. So due to this, Upper and Lower Smith Walton will be closed for the day. Stay tuned to these tape reports, check out our social media pages, or log on to Wachusett.com for all the latest information. Ski you on the slopes. Nobody was harmed in the making of this video, except the snowflakes.